What's up, with my channel? I'm DJ, aka Token Black Guy. I'm here for the first time. Hit that like button, subscribe button. So, Metaball Studio has dropped a new one. This one is water heights in perspective. So, I think what Victoria Falls is the biggest one in the world. I think that I know of. Here I'm in South Carolina. We got a few upstate where I'm at. Nothing like crazy, waterfalls and everything. But let's check this out. I really like this channel. Waterfalls are okay. Okay. I Fracklash Fox. Okay. Niagara Falls. Okay. Understandable. Iguazu Falls. Okay, so Victoria is not the tallest one. I was wrong. Wow, that's in New Zealand? Wow, that was big. Whoa, that's a big jump. 800 to Winga Falls, South Africa? United States? Where's that one at? Oh, Yosemite, the first stage. That's actually pretty tall. Wow, that's the one taller than One World Trade. I've been to the top of One World Trade before. Herbius Falls. Oh, we got a lot in the United States that are pretty tall. Wow. I don't know why I thought like outside the United States would be tall. Where's Ribbon Falls at? Japan, Hanoki Falls. Chile. Yeah, Norway. What building is that? I don't know what building that is. Pretty tall though. Venezuela. Maybe the top Norway again? Wow. I didn't know where that kind of elevation though. It makes sense. A lot of snow up there, so I guess it's melting in the mountains. Oh, Hawaii? What? Hawaii's topping the list? Norway again. Wow, Norway got a lot of waterfalls. Oh, back in the US. Hawaii. Wow. Okay, Hawaii. Was not expecting that. That's that building to Dubai, right? So that's pretty tall. That's compared to Niagara Falls down the bottom. That's damn. Angel Falls. I heard Angel Falls. That's tall. Yeah. 2,600 feet. Look at how small Niagara Falls is compared to that. Wow. That's insane. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, man, that's crazy. I didn't realize. So Norway had a lot. Hawaii topping the list in the top what? Top five, two in the top five. Norway had a couple big ones. Yeah, was not expecting that. Yeah, I like this channel. I like what they do. Every time I drop a new one, I'm gonna check it out. So if you like these kind of videos, like the subscribe button. And till next time, guys, I will see you when I see you. Peace.